Hey guys, usually for Model Monday we build a model. Now here's a model that we got. I went honestly, I just happened to be at a Hobby Lobby down in Fort Myers, and I walked over to the model section and I saw this. I've never seen this model before. Maybe some of you guys have, but it was 40% off day, and so I thought, well, let me go in and check out. Look at this thing. Welcome to Junkyards and Barn Finds, and this is Model Monday. That is a giant Pontiac model of the 79 Firebird. Now this box is huge, and if you think I'm kidding, let me bring this over. Y'all know how big tractor trailer boxes are. There's a tractor trailer box, and the Pontiac Firebird box is way bigger. So this is a 1/16 scale model kit. Their price was $45.99, but it was I don't know if you guys realize on model that build models is that Hobby Lobby, they offer models at 40% off about every other week. So this was under 30 bucks, and we're gonna open it now. It's still in. I think this is its real size, which is like looks like it's over a foot long. But let's open it up, because I haven't even opened up and took the plastic off yet. So let's just take this up and do a box opening. Now I'm about building this today, but I wanted to share. And I was gonna open the box and take a look at it. And I thought, no, we never did a box opening on this channel before, and I see a lot of channels do that. And I thought, well, maybe you guys want to see a box opening. So I've never seen this yet. It's an MPC kit. So we'll put that there. And it is packed. So I would say these wheels here are the size of a quarter. And so here's one of the chrome sheets. It's got engines. Looks like it's got some... Wow, it even has wheelie bars here. I don't know why it would have wheelie bars. Looks like wheelie bars. Here's the glass windshield. Oh, this must be for the back, for the tail lights, headlights. So here's the model kit. This thing is giant. Let's open up this plastic. We will build this on the channel at a future date, I think. But this is just very, very cool. All right. So here's the body, and it's got the interior and all. So let me do this. Let me put this. The hood goes on there, obviously. Let me go get a regular model kit that's one we've built before. All right, guys, so this Camaro is a 1/24 Camaro that we built on the channel. It's the metal one. And this is, wow. Now, what's it got markings on here? Oh, remove. Okay, that's not even doors. That's just a piece of plastic they put in there. So you can see it is, I would say, 80% bigger than your standard 1/24 scale kit. So, and yet, like, all the parts and stuff, the part trees and all. So here's the part tree with the doors, the grill, the rear end. There's your frame right there. these things have a subframe in real life, so they don't really have a full frame, but here's all your engine pieces and interior parts right there. Seats, the cushions on the seats. So the cushions are in there. The cushions are separate from the seats, and then here's a seat. Here's other seats right here. So this must have a couple different versions that you can make. There's your dashboard. Dashboard is at least 3 inches, 4 inches long. So that's pretty cool. Here's the tires. Big tires. They've got markings on them for Goodyear, but they don't have any, they're not white marked. And then open up the decals here. Little decal sheet out. So water slide decal. Oh wow. So you have Screaming Chicken in either gold, red, or blue. So that's really nice because it allows you to make a Trans Am in any color you wish. I was wondering if on this one you could only do the gold Trans Am. But obviously you could do a black Trans Am, a gold Trans Am, a white Trans Am, red Trans Am, blue, light blue. You could pick whatever color that they came in and use these. So you have Flame On, Motor City, and 79 ROKR Rocker. So 79 Rocker, Motor City, or the Flame On Florida license plates. And you have even, look, you got for under the hood, you have the little white thing that tells you about the engine and stuff. This goes right on your radiator support. So they don't have a ton. It's not like a black Trans Am. It's not like a Bandit. And I don't know whether the real 79, well, this is 79 Firebird, it's Trans Am, but I don't know if the 79 Trans Ams, I guess the Bandit editions, if they had one, had all the, like we've built a Bandit edition 77 Trans Am or 78, and it had all the little paint that goes all around, all the detailing, all the pinstriping. This just has the Screaming Chickens, and that's what they're called. If in the car world, these are Screaming Chickens. And so it has all the Screaming Chickens you need for any color that you want, which is very cool. And then here, it shows here, shows a white one. So this is a white Trans Am picture. That's the gold one, but this is white with a dark, photo on it. Tells you where to put the decal placement. Standard MPC kit, just freaking giant. So now for you guys who know me, I've only once ever even varied from putting an extra part on from my part box, and that was on the Jungle Gym car, and that's only because I built the spare engine and I put a blower from my kit box on it just for the external engine that it came with, because it gave enough parts to almost make two cars. But this one here, I would say if you're somebody who enjoys like making plug wires. Hey guys, how you doing? This is Sean, and you guys have watched 4.5 million times our videos. We have over 755 videos up right now, and we only have 20,000 subscribers. So if you love our channel, there's 3 ways you can really help. You can subscribe, you can like, and if you want any of our gear, from t-shirts from when we were on the Hot Rod Power Tour, to coffee mugs, stickers, hats, bags, baby onesies, everything, please watch what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go to my homepage, click here. Once you click on this, it takes you to our official JYBF store. You can go in, you can pick any of the different designs that we have, and we have a bunch, as you can see. And once you've picked the design that you want, you can put it on everything from a hat to a tote bag to a gym bag, to a sweatshirt, to a hoodie, to baby diaper bags, to baby diapers, I think. I don't know. We have like literally hundreds of different items here in different colors. You choose the color, you choose whatever design you want. Pay for it, they ship it to you from the warehouse. You will get it right away. If there's any issues, you can return them if you have to. We take credit cards. We've been shipping stuff around and I see you guys wearing it. So if you want to help us, the channel, please go to the store and click on that, find something you like, and hopefully I'll see you somewhere. You know, we're already all around the country. In fact, so the next time you're out and you see me, give me a yell. And then I'll put you on the channel wearing some of our gear. And really like detailing the crap out of a car, this would be the kit for you. No, we're going to build it bone stock out of the box kit. I'm not adding anything, although believe me, I was even looking around for what threads I could use to make the wires from the sparkulators to go to the power boxes and all that kind of stuff and everything else that if you watch Vice Grip Garage he talks about. But since Derek ain't here to show me what goes where and whatever, and I don't have a 79 Trans Am that I can go and look at and tell me where to put some of these wires. I mean, I could put spark plug wires, but if you're going to detail an engine, you might as well detail an engine. And so we're just going to build this from the box. It's going to be cool. And if you want, in the comments below, I'm going to build this probably in March. It's now the middle of February. So in the comments below, which bird should I use? Should I use the blue one, the gold one, the red one, and what color should we paint this thing? If you have a choice for exterior paint and interior body color, interior color and exterior paint, and what bird to use, put it in the comments, and whichever one everybody chooses, whoever gets the most, within reason. I ain't doing a purple one, so don't put purple down. So I ain't doing, a 72 different color one. But if it's a standard Firebird color for the 79 Pontiac, and I don't know what they are, then put it down, and whatever one comes up the most, that's the one we'll build. All right, guys, thank you so much. Like I said, first unboxing of a model kit, and it's pretty cool. So we'll build this in the future as well. So this is about a month away to build it, but we just wanted to unbox it today because I wanted to see it myself. And that's a huge kit, and you can't beat it for 40% off. So your $30 kit, which is basically the same as any other kit that's a 1/24th and you have a giant 1/16 scale. So, let me give you the kit number. I think there should be a kit number on here somewhere. All right, so it's MPC 862/06. So it's 1979 Pontiac Firebird large 1/16 scale model kit, MPC 862/06. All right, guys, thank you so much. This is, we're going to be building this model. It does have a removable T-top. It's got posable front wheels, opening doors and hood, an optional custom seat. It's got headers and side pipes, a 6.6 liter engine, detailed chassis and suspension, and Firebird decals in 3 colors. So, very cool kit. Thank you, guys. Please watch our channel. If you want to see, we're going to put some stuff up from the Coca-Cola truck we're going to be building. We got some other trucks and models we're going to be building, some other cars. And as always, we're going to put up all our regular real car stuff, as well as if you haven't seen it or you're waiting to see it, this weekend we're going Daytona 500. We're going to be we're going to be down in the fan zone. We're going to be around the pits. We're going to be everywhere, so you'll get to see that. And hey, if you want to help the channel, buy merchandise. So we've got some new cool stuff, and I'll be debuting a new shirt here soon. And well, not new shirt, new design, but we also have stickers and everything else of all our designs. So thank you so much, and we will talk to you soon. Should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.